Most people compare Survey Junkie and Swagbucks the wrong way. They assume both apps are the same, just because they pay you for simple online tasks. But here's the truth no one tells you. These two platforms are completely different in how you earn, how fast you earn, and what kind of user actually benefits the most. In this video you will learn exactly which one is better in 2026, how each app really works behind the scenes, and which one will make you more money depending on your time and habits. Let's start with Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is very simple. It is focused almost entirely on surveys. You sign in, answer questions, and earn points. For example, Alex from Texas opens the app and sees a list of surveys. He picks one, completes it, and earns points immediately or shortly after approval. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Survey Junkie is predictable, but limited. If you do not qualify for surveys, your earning stops. There are almost no backup ways to earn inside the app. So your income depends heavily on your profile and eligibility. Now let's talk about Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a much broader platform. It does not just rely on surveys. Ake uses Swagbucks and earns from watching videos, playing games, completing offers, shopping cashback, and surveys too. That variety is the biggest difference. But here's the problem. With so many options, not all tasks are equal. Some pay very little, and it can be easy to waste time if you are not selective. Now let's compare them directly. Survey Junkie is focused, clean, and predictable. You know exactly what you are doing every time you log in. If you qualify for surveys consistently, it can be very efficient. Swagbucks is flexible, wide, and full of opportunities. But it requires more strategy. You need to pick higher-paying activities instead of randomly clicking tasks. In a minute, I'll show you the simple rule that decides which app you should actually use based on your lifestyle. If you want simplicity and fewer distractions, Survey Junkie is better. It is straightforward and easy to understand, especially for beginners who only want surveys. If you want variety and multiple earning methods in one place, Swagbucks is better. It gives you more chances to earn throughout the day, even when surveys are not available. So which one actually pays more in 2026? Swagbucks usually has higher total earning potential because of its variety. But Survey Junkie can feel more consistent if you qualify for surveys regularly. So the real winner depends on how you use your time. If you are someone who prefers simple tasks and fast focus, Survey Junkie is a better fit. If you want flexibility and more earning opportunities, Swagbucks wins. To summarize, Survey Junkie is simple and survey-focused, while Swagbucks is flexible and multitask-based. Both can pay, but only if you use them the right way. If this helped you understand the difference, like the video, comment which app you prefer, and subscribe for more honest comparison guides like this.